Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add prefix and suffix in Microsoft Excel. Now for us to do that, it's actually quite simple. What we're going to do is just follow the formula right here, and we are going to go ahead and start with what we want to write. So if I go, say for example, add hi, and then space, and then add that one, and then we are going to add what we want to put in there. So oops, let's remove the space here and hit OK, and you can see that now that has been added. So yeah, that's basically the formula. Now in suffix it's almost the same thing, but we are going to add it later. So I'm gonna go ahead and proceed with the name, and then and then let's go ahead and add a space here. So again, it's very important to add the space, and then we're gonna go ahead and write what we want to add. So say for example, if it's by, yep, that is how it's done. So very simple. You can then go ahead and just copy this one right here. And yeah, it's as simple as that, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.